bust another myth, guys. Now, there's a rumor that's been going around since years, going back to 20 odd years, about me, that every bird that escapes any of your houses ends up here, especially Springwood and Daisy Hill and Shayla Park, that every bird that escapes ends up in my house. That is not true, guys. However, from time to time, birds have come here and I've taken them to the RSPCA. A number of them end up in my house, guys. And I've taken them to, the RSPCA hospital here in Underwood and the local vet here at Daisy Hill. So there is a big record of birds that I have turned in, guys. Not all of them.